Today we are making this amazing peri peri burger recipe. This hardly takes like 20 minutes to make and I have specially curated it for the work from home series. Guys, there is a small trick to make the burger buns very soft in this video. Do watch it carefully, it's very useful. Let's make this quick and easy peri peri burger. First, let's do some prep. In this recipe, we will need 1 onion, 1 tomato and 1 capsicum. Chop them, and along with this, paneer is going to be our base. So we need 200 grams of that for making 5 burgers. So I'm chopping the paneer as well into small pieces. Let's begin the recipe now, guys. I'm heating a pan in very high heat, and in this we will add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil needs to be very hot because we are going to pan grill the paneer. So here you can see the paneer is ready. We will add them into the hot oil. Be careful, guys, flame is very high, pan is really hot and paneer has a lot of moisture. There can be a grease fire, so be careful. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of peri peri powder and we will stir this once so that the other side also cooks. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and the sesame seed will also toast along with the paneer. We will also add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of chili flakes along with salt to season. That's all. These are all the ingredients that we are adding right now. We will give it another stir and we have to cook this until there is a crust in the paneer. We don't have to do much, just move it around and keep the flame high. In about 2 minutes, you will see light golden color on these paneer pieces. We need that color on at least 2 sides of the paneer. So here you can see this looks good. So I'm adding the onion that we chopped earlier along with the capsicum and tomato. If you see carefully, there are no seeds in the tomatoes because I removed it when I was chopping it, and along with this I've also added 2 green chilies. That's it for now. We will give it a final stir and cook this on high heat for another 10 to 12 seconds. After that, you'll have this peri peri paneer stuffing. It is spicy, crispy, tangy, sweet with the onions. This recipe has it all, guys. Here our stuffing is ready. Let's turn off the flame and let's quickly make some peri peri mayo as well. For that, here I've got 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and in this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of peri peri mix, basically peri peri or peri peri powder that we get in the bottles. And after that we will stir this together. You have to mix it really well, guys, and that's how we will get a great color on this. If you just mix it once or give it a quick stir, you won't have a great color or flavor. Try to mix it for a good minute, and that's how we get that vibrant color and flavor in this peri peri mayo. So this is done and our stuffing is also warm and good to go. Time to make the buns soft and moist. So the trick that I was talking about earlier is first taking the burger buns. We will slice it but not completely. Try to keep the end intact. These are homemade buns, so these are not very dry, but I am anyway doing that trick to make it super soft and moist. All you have to do is heat a fry pan or a kadhai which has a lid with about half a teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, place the buns, move them around so that we can coat both the sides with the butter. After that, we will add 2 tablespoons of water. That's right, we are adding water along with the buns in the pan, and we will quickly cover it up with the lid, and in medium heat we have to steam this or basically cook this until the water dries up. Hardly takes a minute, guys. This will heat the buns and the steam will make it super soft and moist. As I said, these will be extremely hot, so when you are taking them out you have to be extra careful in handling them. As these are ready, I am taking them out and we will grab one. Open it up. You can see how soft and hot these are. We will apply the mayo in this that we made earlier on both the sides. After the mayo, we will top it up with some salad. I am using some lettuce leaves over here. Onions or cabbage can also be used. We will load it up with the paneer and veggies that we cooked earlier. Try to stuff it in, otherwise the stuffing can come out. We are not done yet. Before serving, garnish them with a little bit of coriander leaves, sesame seeds and some chili flakes. This makes it even more delicious because that's the first thing that we taste, guys. Looks yum, isn't it? As I said, this hardly takes like 20 minutes to make, and I specially made it for the work from home series. Guys, you must try it for lunch or brunch. Literally, we get confused whether this is homemade or from a restaurant. So try it out, share feedback with me. If you liked it, give it a like and share it with your friends. If you did not like it, click the dislike button. I want to hear whether you want to watch more such work from home recipes or not. So waiting for your comments. That's all for today. Bye. Happy cooking.